Hello again, eco-enthusiasts. Welcome back to Next Gen Green, your one-stop channel for everything sustainable and green. Today, we will take a deep dive into a specific type of wind turbine, the horizontal-axis turbine. So sit back and get ready to learn all about this fascinating technology that's reshaping our energy landscape. When we talk about wind turbines, what typically comes to mind are the tall structures with three blades spinning. These are horizontal-axis wind turbines, or HAWTs. They're the most common type of wind turbines around the world. Horizontal-axis turbines consist of a few key components: a rotor with three blades, a nacelle which houses the generator and gearbox, a tower that supports the rotor and nacelle, and various control systems to ensure optimal operation. As their name suggests, these turbines' rotation axis is horizontal or parallel to the ground. Let's talk about the blades. Blades on these turbines are designed to extract as much energy as possible from the wind, transforming kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Their shape, which is often aerodynamic and similar to an aeroplane wing, plays a crucial role in this energy conversion process. Inside the nacelle, the mechanical energy generated by the spinning blades is converted into electrical energy through a generator. Amazingly, this process happens every second of every day in turbines worldwide, generating power for millions of homes. One of the key advantages of horizontal-axis turbines is their efficiency. With their tall towers and large blade span, they can catch stronger, more consistent winds, generating more power than other wind turbines. Horizontal-axis wind turbines have been instrumental in the growth of wind power. They've been around for several decades, and technological advancements have only made them more efficient and reliable. Of course, like any technology, they're not without challenges. They require substantial space and are subject to wear and tear due to their moving parts. This necessitates periodic maintenance to ensure their smooth operation. But the future looks bright. With continuous research and development, we're seeing more robust, efficient, and sustainable designs in horizontal-axis wind turbines. They will undoubtedly play a significant role in our transition to renewable energy. And that's our deep dive into horizontal-axis turbines. We hope you found this informative and enlightening. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our Next Gen Green channel for more insightful content on renewable energy and green technology. Thank you for joining us today. And until next time, let's work together to make our planet a greener place.